I'm the local police officer, the community police officer, so I serve the community of Scunthorpe, okay? And I work with all different communities, and I'm also now working with the East Timor community, okay? Thank you very much. I just want to say a big thank you to Marito, Alex and Angelino. They've worked very hard for this event, to bring this event together. Absolutely brilliant. And I also want to welcome everyone from East Timor community who have come to Scunthorpe today. I know some of you have travelled long distance and it's very difficult. So thank you very much for coming. All of you are welcome to Scunthorpe anytime. All right? Thank you. So today's football event was very, very good, I thought. Some of the players, actually many of the players are very, very good. Absolutely fantastic. Really good, skillful players. And Morito and I were talking a few days ago, and Morito said, I want to, my team, East Timor team, to play the police football match. And now I'm very worried because I don't think we can beat you. You are too good. So, yeah. We have to, I said to Marito, give me 2 months to prepare, ready a team. But now I need maybe 6 months to practice. Yeah. Okay guys, so, and ladies, what I will say is that Humberside Police, that's the police service that covers this area. We want to work with the East Timor community. We want to support the community. This is a great country that you're in now. Absolutely brilliant. You have human rights. So the police work with everyone under the Human Rights Act. So what that means is that we're here to support you, we're here to work with you, and we will do everything we can to make you happy people in this country, yes? Okay? All we ask in return is you come to us and speak to us anytime there's a problem in the community. Please come to us and tell us about it, and we will work on it together and we will resolve it. Yes? That's all we ask for you, okay? And what I will say is also, right now in Scunthorpe, East Timor community is the best community right now that's making things work. Right now. Yes. Very good. And this is a very, very good opportunity for young people of East Timor who are now settled in United Kingdom. Now you have to make your future in this country, yeah? This country is great already, but you can make it greater. How you're going to do this is work hard, stay away from trouble, yeah? And absolutely just help each other. And that is the best way. Love, harmony and respect is the best way forward. Thank you very much for everyone for being here tonight. Thank you.
Okay, please tell Manny, thank you very much for the such a lovely message for us. So Scunthorpe, the Timorese people in the Scunthorpe is the best at the moment, yeah. So please, just applause again for the. I'd like you to stay here for a while. I want to invite Marito to come forward to give thanks to Mani, who really had worked to collaborate with us to run this event.
Thank you very much.